The fact that South Florida is a great place to live and work isn't exactly a secret. Central Broward County is especially desirable. But as anyone who drives in the area at peak travel times knows firsthand, there is a downside to living in such a prime location: traffic. And for residents and visitors to get to work, shops, entertainment venues, the airport, Port Everglades, and the beaches, there is only one major east-west thoroughfare: I-595. Unfortunately, I-595 can't satisfy current demand for mobility in the area. More than 180,000 vehicles per day use I-595, and by 2034, that number is projected to swell to beyond 300,000 vehicles per day. But improving mobility along the I-595 corridor isn't just a necessity for residents and visitors, it's also a lifeline to South Florida's economy. I-595 is vital to the shipment of freight and goods around South Florida. That's why the Florida Department of Transportation District 4, in coordination with the Federal Highway Administration and Florida's Turnpike Enterprise, is moving forward with several improvements to the I-595 corridor that will vastly improve driving conditions along I-595 and preserve the future vitality of the corridor. The following few minutes provide an overview of the reversible express lane system known as 595 Express, along with other proposed safety and operational improvements. Ramps located throughout the I-595 I-75 interchange will provide express lane access from and to I-75 and the Sawgrass Expressway. Up to 2 auxiliary lanes will be added to the outside of both eastbound and westbound I-595 for a majority of the corridor. These lanes will reduce the congestion caused by merge, diverge, and weaving movements. Many of those current weaving movements and the congestion and operations challenges they create will also be alleviated by the use of grade-separated or braided ramps by separating select entrance and exit ramps. Exit ramps will also be combined at select locations to decrease the number of entrance and exit points on the main line. Traffic that exits to a bypass ramp will have the option to access the upcoming crossroad or continue on the bypass bridge over the crossroad, thus reducing traffic and improving operations at the crossroad intersections. 595 Express is proposed to be a tolled, reversible lane system located in the existing median of I-595. These lanes give motorists the ability to choose a reliable long-distance travel option when their time is more valuable than the toll being charged. These lanes will be tolled at varying rates throughout the day, with the higher tolls during peak traffic periods. At Davie Road, State Road 84 will be extended through the Turnpike and State Road 7 interchanges to provide a continuous State Road 84 in both the eastbound and westbound directions. I-595 Express will operate in the eastbound direction only in the mornings and westbound only in the afternoons. A host of safety features will keep traffic from entering the lanes in the wrong direction. Motorists entering 595 Express from either the I-75 Sawgrass Expressway interchange or to the east of State Road 7 will be separated from the mainline traffic. Electronic message signs placed prior to the entrance to the express lanes will display the current toll based on time of day, as well as real-time traffic information. Congestion levels on the express lanes will be managed by a varying toll rate. This process is known as congestion pricing, which will provide for continual free-flow conditions. Motorists on the 595 Express will have the option of exiting to the Turnpike via a direct connection at the Turnpike's median. In a collaborative effort between District 4 and Florida's Turnpike Enterprise, improvements to the existing configuration of the I-595 Turnpike interchange will significantly improve safety and traffic operations. These improvements include a new westbound I-595 to northbound Turnpike ramp, which will eliminate existing weaving movements and provide a more desirable direct connection. The I-595 westbound improvements will require the placement of stabilization systems along the banks of the North New River Canal in order to maintain the canal's capacity and flow characteristics. Another key component of this project is the construction of noise barriers along the corridor. A detailed traffic noise study has been performed, identifying noise barriers at 14 locations for further consideration and public input. Both 8-foot tall shoulder-mounted and up to 22-foot tall ground-mounted noise barriers have been recommended. A representative image of a typical ground-mounted noise barrier is depicted here on the north side of the North New River Canal between Nob Hill Road and Hiatus Road. Funding for the I-595 improvements will come in a public-private partnership known as P3, an innovative funding option now available to FDOT. Under the design, build, finance, operate, maintain procurement being conducted now, FDOT will sign a single contract and receive a fixed price covering design, construction, operations, and maintenance of I-595 for 35 years. The private partner will be compensated using availability payments, a single maximum annual amount based on the number of lanes made available that will cover construction, operations, maintenance, and future repaving of I-595. FDOT will make no payments until the project is completed, protecting the public interest and serving as a powerful incentive to accelerate construction. FDOT will retain full control over toll rates, toll revenue, and toll collection. P3 also reduces the total construction time. Construction is scheduled to take approximately 5 years, starting in 2009. The I-595 improvements also include multimodal accommodations, in addition to the proposed highway improvements. The New River Greenway project, a part of the Broward County Greenways system, will be constructed as a part of this project. The Greenway will consist of a bi-directional mixed-use path that will run within the project limits from 136th Avenue to just east of State Road 7. Buses will also use 595 Express, creating bus rapid transit along the corridor, improving the reliability and increasing the frequency of Broward County's transit service. 3 initial bus routes are included in the I-595 Express operational strategy. These routes will serve all major attractions within the corridor and will originate and provide reverse commute opportunities from strategic locations. FDOT District 4, the Federal Highway Administration, and Florida's Turnpike Enterprise are working together to ensure that the I-595 corridor provides for the safe and efficient transport of people and goods, enhances economic prosperity, and preserves the quality of life for all of South Florida well into the future. I-595, moving forward together. For more information on the project, please visit our website at www.i-595.com.